Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I, Santi Septiani, want to compare news about vaccine potential game changers in fight against malaria. Source: PR News, April 24, 2022. Geneva. In advance of World Malaria Day, the World Health Organization recommends the expanded use of the first malaria vaccine, calling it a potential game changer in the fight against malaria. Malaria is a treatable disease, yet a very rare. Malaria sickens more than 200 million people and kills more than 600,000. Most of these deaths, nearly 500,000, are among young children in Africa. That means every 60-second a child dies of malaria. Mary Hamels is head of WHO malaria vaccine implementation program. She said the 2-year pilot program has shown the vaccine is safe, feasible to deliver, and reduce deadly severe malaria. We saw 30 drop in children being brought to the hospitals with deadly severe malaria, and we also saw almost a 10% reduction in all-cause child mortality. If the vaccine is widely deployed, it is estimated that it could save an additional 40 to 80,000 children lives each year, she said. Well, all reports Gavi, the vaccine alliance will provide more than million to support expanded introduction of the malaria vaccine for Gavi, eligible countries in sub-Saharan Africa. We know there have been new platforms that come forward since the COVID vaccine, including the malaria platform, and now the developers of one of the malaria vaccine is looking forward to developing a malaria vaccine using that some platform, she said. Last July, BioNTech, manufacturer of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, announced it want to build on the success by developing a malaria vaccine using malaria technology. The pharmaceutical company says it's aimed to start clinical trials by the end of this year. Source: PLA News, April 24, 2022. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.